Alright guys, this is the end of our trip. We are gonna start preparing the cars for the road ahead. Andy has run to the parts store to get some oil for the Jeep and the Corolla. We put a lot more miles on the Jeep running back and forth between LA and Rosamond here, so it's very much due for an oil change. The Z here still only got about 1,900 miles on it. The oil looks pretty good in it. We're also going to put some toe plates on the Corolla because it pulls a little bit. Other than that, I think it's ready for the road. I think he's going to change fluids in it as well. And for now, I'm just going to wash the Z and we're going to start loading stuff up. So we had a good time. Thank you, Naoki and Callie, for making this possible for us. I sure have learned a lot, and I'm ready to go back home and apply it. Oh, look, I got a little cone mark. One cone mark. All right, so we had some fires going on over here across the mountain the other day, and a lot of ash is falling. The car's really just got some dust and stuff on it. We don't have proper car wash and stuff, so don't hate me for this, but we're gonna just rinse it off, wipe the ashes and stuff off of it, and rinse it back down again. Not over. I'm very ready to be home, but I am going to kind of miss this place. It's really beautiful here. And it's just flat in Mississippi and trees. Oh shit, party foul. Gotta go get another one.
Good job, Jeff. Number one. Number one.
Go over here and help Andy work on the Corolla. Yeah, he's working on the Corolla. That's what he's doing. That's what we should do. Okay, I'm gonna go get some water.
Of course they stopped moving when I filmed them. Tumbleweed. Oh, they painted the valve cover the color of the car. Mm-hmm. Cool.
Pretty damn cool.
Yeah, very copper like.
This is Abraham.
That's the name of the color?
The only rails down on this. This side looks fine. There's a bit thick. The big dent on the door and shit, but like,
yeah.
Otherwise, it looks like a clean car.
Yeah. Very clean interior from what it looks like.
Yeah. The car was pretty clean. Like a few months ago, he was selling for $4K, and then he just kept drunk driving and getting stuff.
Oh wow! So his
loss is my gain.
His other than this, we got to do a toe plate alignment.
Yeah. Man.
What's it doing? Pulling?
Huh?
What's it doing? Pulling?
Well, he had wrecked it and. Trying to get it all straight. We did like a quick toe alignment before I left Portland, but it's still a little out, and these tires are already crap, so I'd rather be safe than sorry, you know?
Well, yeah, you already had one unfortunate on the highway.
I guess they don't even have a spare.
Oh, really?
This thing's got a lot of caster on the front on this side. Yeah, it's got way more caster on this side. Yeah. I thought he adjusted it that far. Where you going, Andy? Poured the oil back in already.
Yeah.
So look on that side at the wheel placement and the wheel arch, and then come over here.
The caster's on one of them.
A lot. That's why it's pulling. If the caster's not equal, the toe plates won't work. If it's that far off the toe plates, you see what I'm saying? It's going to create an angle on the tape. We won't be able to get it 100%.
Could we adjust the tension rods back? Pull some caster out of it?
Yeah, yeah. And just eyeball it and at least get it to the center of the wheel well, yeah. No way we'll know.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that when I put the fender on. It's like
It almost doesn't fit.
Put,
Is that one gonna be more full?
think about like half a quart less.
Okay.
So it'll be a little bit more full, but not much. I'm already comfy. Jeep has been getting Mobile One full synthetic since I got it.
Yeah.
She's drinking well, baby.
You got an interstate battery in there too?
Dude, no. I think I got an AutoZone one.
Mistreating it.
Oh, you don't like Mobile One?
Interstate battery.
Oh.
Yeah, Mobile One and interstate battery, man. Like, spoil your lady.
Shit, dude, I was going to work one morning. I had to take my scooter with the battery strapped to the floorboard. I was going to get a battery.
There you go.
So you're gonna hook up one end to the carburetor, and the other end inside the cabin.
Yeah. I mean, we're driving 1,800 miles, so I'd like to be able to hold speed.
So funny, you're gonna be able to, and Jeff isn't, because he hasn't fixed his cruise control.
Well, at least he has AC, so.
Oh, good point. So, yeah, good point.
See where I'm gonna tie this in. This bracket.
You're good. I didn't see that. But you're just gonna roll the dice there, man.
Send it.
Yeah, no, I could definitely do better after I get more experience and learn more. Because there's a lot to pay attention to. There are lots of videos.
Well, I made a big mistake. I should have just said, just kidding. They said you should have said,
Hey, Andy. I was like, can you just put the flashlight on?
everything
Move
else
your
I
head.
might just throw away. I don't know if
Oh
you
gosh,
want
yeah, look at that thing.
Well, that's what I was saying. Is some of it would be useful. Stock. Yeah, Venmo me the money in the parking lot, hand them to him, thanks, and on his way.
Just put on those ads.
I'm gonna go get the light.
It's already bending.
Oh, you're gonna have to take it out. I was just trying to avoid that.
That or 80 hops on the bumper.
Or one hop by Carl.
You wanna give it a hop, Carl?
I figured it might break something else, like the bumper bracket.
Oh, you actually filming me doing this?
Well, you're really in a lot of darkness.
I don't know, I think you
So-
might get screened by YouTube. of
Yeah, I don't think they like this
inappropriate content.
position, Carl.
Someone's gonna report us.
But technically, I get
All the leaks and all.
Uh-huh.
Could you feed me these through the bottom?
Yeah, on the other side.
Yes, sir.
What'd you just do? Okay. Against the rim. Okay. So it's 62 and a half up front and 63. Yeah, they're pigeon-toed like a son of a bitch. All right, guys. Andy loaded up pretty much everything while I was washing my car. We got the Corolla situated and we're ready to hit the road. We're gonna head back to the condo and get some rest. We'll see you in the next one.
Well, I'm glad I didn't.